You've imported a series of measurements into Krigis. Before it can actually be part of the database, it has to be checked.
First of all, there could be spelling mistakes in the name of a sampling point or a parameter. Let's see all the invalid lines.
For example, the database doesn't recognize chloroform. In the database, it is spelled with an H.
So let's tell Krigis that chloroform without an H has to be replaced by chloroform with an H.
Krigis will do the replacement, but suggests to make a rule out of it. Let's save the rule. From now on, every time Krigis will come across chloroform without an H, it will automatically add one. You can see this rule in the normalization text list. Of course, you can erase any line at any time, but for the time being, let's keep this useful rule. And let's apply it by pressing the Normalize button.
If there is a spelling mistake in a point name, you can correct it in the same way. And the rule is also saved. Let's do the same with this unit. Microgram per liter. That's not the way to spell it.
Let's press the Normalize button to make all the corrections. Once all the units are recognized by the system, we still have to change the units so that they correspond to the unit that Krigis uses for each particular parameter. This means, first make the corrections in the source unit column and then in the unit converter column. Well, let's create the conversion equation. From now on, if any of these mistakes appears in an imported file, it will automatically be dealt with by Krigis. Text corrections and unit conversion.
Your data is correctly written, so now we have to look at these new values we are importing. Are they plausible? Are they worrying? This is the next step before the confirmation of the data.